Hello everyone, good morning. Nikhil this side. I'm from Raj Lakshmi Solution. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will see how to create a webhook in Bitrix24. Basically, a Bitrix24 provide a range of resource for a developer who want to customize or integrate or extend its functionality. So, Bitrix24 having a developer documentation, REST API documentation, and framework documentation. REST API features, endpoints, webhooks, batch API request, and many things. SDK also there in Bitrix24 software development kits. So for the creation of a webhook, we need to find the developer resource in Bitrix24. You can find in the left hand side, or if you don't find the left hand side, you just search in the search box for the developer resource. Okay, you can find here only. If you don't find the left hand side, you can just search developer resource. Okay, I just click on the developer resource. You can find the other option in developer resource. Just click on that other option. Okay, you can find three option. Just click on inbound webhook. Okay, you can find the request builder. Basically, request builder is used to builder to select the methods and parameter and redefine the tool. You can read and method and parameter description and download and the for the example of the PHP file for the method description. So we just click a profile and we just assign a permission which data you want from Bitrix24. I just assign a CRM permission. Okay, I just save it. Okay, you can find here is the webhook of Bitrix24 for the REST API. Okay, so we have successfully generated a webhook URL in Bitrix24. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.